Afternoon, everybody. We've got Brody Scapins here today. How are you, mate?
Yeah, pretty good. Yeah,
cool.
Pretty good.
Cool. Now, Brody, we had Taylor here about 12, 18 months ago, your sister.
Yeah, yep.
Yeah, she passed with flying colours, and now it's your turn to move on and get your licence.
Yep.
You've had a few sessions here with us. The Vault Pack one you took out.
Yep.
Which is the 4.5 hour sessions. And unfortunately, what happened the first time when you sat for your Vault test?
Didn't give way. Wasn't paying attention and just didn't give way and failed, so...
Oh, right. The examiner intervened, hey?
Yep.
Right. So what did you learn from that, mate?
I learnt to look around, read the signs, take my time.
Yeah.
Yeah, and, always learn from your mistakes, so...
Okay. So, in the meantime, since you had to resit, you've had to wait 2 weeks.
Yep.
You've been continuing on with your training.
Yep.
And how has your driving changed at all since then, or?
Oh, well, definitely. I mean, I've been a lot more cautious, especially around like back streets.
Yeah.
Been a lot more cautious, just checking my lefts and rights. Just
cool.
Yeah, just looking for other cars. So.
Good. Well, that's great. Well, guess what, mate?
Yep.
Guess what's in your hands? You've got a certificate. Yes, sir. You've got the certificate for your P's now, mate.
Yep.
So you're all right and ready to go.
Yeah, can.
So Monday you can pop into Services SA.
Yep.
And
collect it.
Yeah, collect your P plates and you're on your way. So now that you've got that behind you, you can move forward and enjoy your driving, and with a lot more caution than I suppose you would have the first time.
Yeah, definitely.
I always say to a student, if they haven't passed, that it's a blessing in disguise. You just haven't seen it.
Yeah, it was. It definitely was.
Oh, that's
100%.
Great. Good. Okay, well, look, all the best. It's been great having you. You're a great student.
Yeah, cheers, Carmen.
And all the best with your diving competitions, etc.
Thank you. Thank you.
See you right into it. And let's look out for Brody Scapins in the Commonwealth Games, guys.
Hopefully, yeah.
He's working overtime, 10 sessions a week training. So all the best, mate.
Thanks, Carmen.
All the best, Brody. Cheers.